Hi everyone, Cassie here from Primrose Dawn, and today I'm going to talk about moving the dart position on the Delvine Bralette. As you can see, the Delvine Bralette is shaped with bust darts, and you want the bust darts to align with the apex of the breast, and this is the point that sticks out furthest from the body, usually where the nipple lies. I'm going to demonstrate measuring on my dress form. You'll want to measure this on yourself, and find where your apex is and measure straight across from apex to apex. On this form, it's about 7 3/4 inches. And you'll want to write this down and then determine what half of this measurement is, because on the pattern piece, we're only measuring half of the body. Now we're ready to alter our pattern pieces. Regardless of what front you want to do, you'll want to make this alteration beginning with the fronts for A, D, E, and F. Even if you want to make fronts B and C, you'll want to begin with altering this pattern piece because it extends all the way to center front, and it'll just make your life a lot easier if you alter this pattern piece and then copy the alterations to the other front for B and C. So half of our apex to apex measurement would be 3 7/8. The original measurement was 7 3/4. So I'm going to check the apex position. You want to move the apex position and not the end of the dart. So I'm going to measure across, and this is about 3 7/8. So this is the correct position to fit my dress form. But let's say we want to move it in to about here. I'll mark this with my red pen so that you can see it. Okay, so let's say we want to move the dart there. The easiest thing to do to keep the original curved shape of the dart is to cut this dart out and move the position. So I'm just cutting out the dart piece. And you want to put some paper behind. Okay, and you want to line it up where your new apex position is. Line it up with the old one. Okay, and you'll want to tape down the position. You'll want to make sure that the dart is straight. Working. So you might need to adjust this line here. Blend it, to blend it in. And however much you moved the dart position, you'll want to also adjust your cradle piece. Okay, so this is where the dart lines up. So you'll want to move the position of this notch. So you won't use this notch, you'll use this one. And that's it.